Good morning, beloved and sisters. It is the new year, and it has been a while since I posted because I was giving everyone an opportunity to celebrate with their friends and family and then enjoy the holidays. It is just such a beautiful day, and people always, like some of my friends, they pick at me and it was like, oh, you're always so happy. You're talking about, oh, the beautiful stars, the beautiful sun. And it's because I really understand love. I really understand what my Father gives me every single day. I understand what it is to be loved. I know what it feels like. It surrounds me, it consumes me, it's in my heart. And to tell you the truth, I wasn't always here. I wasn't always at this place. It wasn't until I really sat with my Father and said, show me what love is. Because when you really truly embody the love of Christ, you look at life through a different lens. Everything just is different. Like the things that you would normally cry and fuss about, you smile and you look at the best part of it. Always look for the best part of life. And at the back of that, well, in front of that is the human life, because so many times I talk to people and they're like, I don't have any friends and I don't really get along with people and I this, that, and the other. But remember, people, we belong to the human race. The human race. We are here for each other. Make sure you take time and acknowledge the people around you. And at the end, if the human race wins, that is such a beautiful thing. So when you have an issue identifying with another human being, you have to really stop and look in the mirror, because that means there is an internal conflict with you identifying with who you are. So it's time to connect to your single purpose in life, and that's to be a human being. So be yourself, but understand the concept of love and what God says about love, because through that, then you're able to love everybody and give them the love that the Father created. I love you. Have a wonderful day. And I am my sister's and beloved keeper.